Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus against the Google Pixel 2 XL. So let's get straight in. First up is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It has a Quad HD screen, it's on Android Oreo. For the CPU it uses the Exynos 9810, and the GPU it has the Mali G72 and it has 6GB of RAM. Next is the Google Pixel 2 XL. It also has a Quad HD screen. It's on the latest version of Android Oreo. For the CPU it has the Snapdragon 835, and for the GPU the Adreno 540, and it has 4GB of RAM. Starting off with the fingerprint reader, they both seem to be unlocking at the same time, so I'll do that again. Yes, they unlocked at the same time. Okay, so just before running the test, you can see there are no apps or games running in the background, and the first app will be the camera app, and they both loaded up at the same time. Google Chrome, and I'll be going to the Verge website. Okay, they're starting to load up, and the Pixel 2 XL was faster at loading up the advert here. Hot UK deals. And they both opened up at the same time. Photoshop. And loading up the same photo. And the Pixel 2 XL was fractionally faster here. Microsoft Word. And open up the same template. And the Pixel 2 XL again was slightly faster here. YouTube, and I'll play a random video, and they both played at the same time. Moving on to the first game, Horizon Chase. Okay, so far they seem to be loading up at the same time. Yes, they did. So it's a draw. And I'll let that play in the background. Super Mario Run. Ready to be played on the S9 Plus first. Let's see which loads first, and that was the Pixel 2 XL. So it's got a lead by 4 points. Skyforce. Okay, so they seem to be loading up at the same time. Yes, they are. I'll let that play in the background and move on to Sonic Forces. And that loaded up faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Spider-Man Unlimited. And that was faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. In the last game, Temple Run 2. And that loaded up faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The upload speed was faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus and the download speed faster on the Pixel 2 XL, so let's call it a draw. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. As you can see, all the apps and games are in the background, and I will start off with the speed test app, and they are both open here. No surprise really, as it is quite a lightweight app. Temple Run 2, and they are both open and they are playing fine. Spider-Man Unlimited, same thing here, they are both open and they can resume the game fine. Sonic Forces, And we have the first casualty on the Pixel 2 XL, Skyforce, and it has restarted on the Pixel 2 XL, Super Mario Run, and it's restarted again on the Pixel 2 XL, so not looking too good here. Horizon Chase, so both of the games are running in the background fine. YouTube, and it sort of had to reload on the Pixel 2 XL. Microsoft Word, and it has exited the document on the Pixel 2 XL. Photoshop, and it had to reload the photo on the Pixel 2 XL. Hot UK Deals, and they are both in the same place. Google Chrome, and it had to reload on the Pixel 2 XL. And finally the camera app, and that was slightly faster on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The Galaxy S9 Plus wins by 8 points. Moving on to the Geekbench 4 test, both of these phones are on the latest update at the time of recording. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus completed the CPU benchmark at 3 minutes and 24 seconds, with the Pixel 2 XL following about 40 seconds later. The single core and multi-core scores are much higher on the Galaxy S9 Plus than the Pixel 2 XL. And lastly, the compute test, and we'll get straight into the results. The Galaxy S9 Plus finished at 54 seconds with the Pixel 2 XL 2 seconds later. However, the Pixel 2 XL has a higher score by more than 1000 points. So that is the end of the speed test comparison, and here are the scores at a glance. So in round 1, the Pixel 2 XL edged it by just 1 point. However, when it came to round 2, the Galaxy S9 Plus won by 8 points. The Pixel 2 XL suffered because of the 4GB of RAM. When it came to the Geekbench 4 test for the CPU benchmark, on the single core, the Galaxy S9 Plus scored more than 1800 points. On the multi-core score, the Galaxy S9 Plus scored more than 2600 points. However, in the compute test, the Pixel 2 XL scored just over 1000 points more than the Galaxy S9 Plus. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as there are more content coming up. Like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.